Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is the day that Tammy from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley and Terry from the Tapping Flamingo and I are finally going to show you our mermaids. We decided on doing this way back in the winter to do a face-up on a doll and make them a mermaid on a Blythe doll. And we've kind of been working on it off and on, and today is the day. I'm excited not only to show you my girl, but to see theirs. We don't peek at one another's before. Sometimes we give hints. It's really fun to do collabs. This is my girl, and I love her. She is not a mermaid creature. She is a professional mermaid. If you've seen any of those videos on YouTube where the women actually have a job being a mermaid, swimming in aquariums, going to Renaissance fairs, sitting at the pond. They also go around the world and talk about ocean conservation. So that's what my girl is. Let me give you a closer look. I love this dress. I found this ribbon at Hobby Lobby when we first started talking about mermaids. And I thought, I wonder if I can make her a dress out of that. And what I did is I coned two pieces equally. They tie, her hook came undone. She has a hook and an eye. Get it? Hook. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah, there we go. I got it. In the back, it ties like a halter. I really, really like it. I just sewed the ribbon about an inch, inch and a half together, one layer over the other, and then I gathered it at the waist, added a piece of bias tape, and then the top ties, of course, and then we have a hook and eye here. Of course she's barefoot. She loves the beach and swimming and all of that. I made her pearl earrings. I did her, where'd the other one go? Whoops. Let's put that back in. She's prettier with two. I painted her fingernails. They're a little too subtle for me, but I like them. This is her face up. Her eyes, let me show you the pull strings. Her name is Marina, a name that I have often been called in my life. My name is Marna, M-A-R-N-A. People always like to add an I and call me Marina. But these shells I found at a garage sale. They were actually a necklace. I put a 2022 on there. I really like her beads. I put the rainbows in because, see, her eyelids have the, I think she has a jellyfish and a, what does she have there?
Starfish and a, looks like a seashell.
Yeah, I thought there was a seahorse. Usually when I make a custom doll and I display it, I leave their eyes. I really, really, really like the blue though. I have to tell you, I like the blue with this doll. I only put the one custom eye chips in here because I rather like the rainbow reflection of the rainbow off the ocean, and I just like the rainbow eye chips. But I thought she turned out pretty cute. She has a beach themed stand that Darren had made. I really like it, the ocean at the sand. I bought this bag a while back at a garage sale. I love this. It is a backpack, and it has the mermaid sequence on it. And when I bought it, I thought, oh, I can make my mermaid a tail out of that. Well, the more I worked on my mermaid, I thought, you know, what a great place to store all of her accessories in there, and she has a few. I'm going to show you her outfits that I made her, but I did, and her jewelry. She has a lot of jewelry. I made most of it. She has earrings. Look at these great big whimsical Blythe earrings. We'll show you those in a minute. Her little necklace, and she has two pairs of seahorse earrings. Show you her clothes. Her fish are her pet, little goldfish bowls. She has two. If she were a real mermaid, this would be her box lunch to carry to work. But she's a professional mermaid. So it's just a pet she's taking home. I do have Mermaid Tears. I made this myself. I saw these for sale, this size, for $5 at a Renaissance fair, and I thought, oh, I can do that. So I got this bottle at the Dollar Tree. This is sand that Darren and I picked up when we went to see Wednesday and Gilly in Florida. That was really fun. And what other accessories? Oh. In her house, she likes to decorate and have cute things on her bed. This is a mermaid sequin dolphin. I think it's, yeah, both sides are, I think I got that at the Dollar Tree. These are actually cat toys. I just thought they were cute. And we're gonna try these clothes on. Darren took me to a specialty shop called She Sells Seashells. And it was down by the seashore, honest to God. And somewhere I have put up 2 huge, beautiful clamshells, like this, only bigger. And I forgot where up is, but I did find these 2. And look at this, isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Just absolutely gorgeous. I thought that'd be pretty to set out with my mermaid. Let's see what other clothing she has. Professional mermaids have 2 kinds of tails. One is spandex, and they can move around a little bit in those. And the other is silicone. But for both, they pretty much need somebody to lift them up, help them into their fins, and then help them into the water. So here she is laying poolside, waiting for someone to help her in. This was just a little cheap Barbie dress I bought in a group of Barbie dresses. I thought it was cute with the little, these remind me of the kind of goldfish crackers that you eat, but I thought it'd be cute for the little mermaid. All I did was take the Velcro and move it over, and the straps naturally crisscross. It's just a cute little dress. Here's Marina in one of her favorite dresses because she wears this to go have lobster. She's waiting on her boyfriend to pick her up now to take her out for dinner. I really like this fabric, this little skirt and top. And I made the top so that it is reversible, actually reversible 4 ways. She can also wear it this direction with the low cut in the front, but it also matches this skirt, which I love this skirt. I love this gold filigree through the fabrics. I have several fabrics like it. It's just really pretty. And then, well, let's put this on the opposite direction so you can see what I'm talking about. And you can wear it like this on both sides. Put your arm in, sweetie. I really like the waistband on the skirt, and you can't really see it, but that's what it looks like turned the other direction. But I want to show you this waistband. It's pretty cute. I like form-fitting clothes, and this is kind of mermaidish, the way this top is made, or this skirt is made. And she can also wear that with her crocheted ribbon halter top. Professional mermaids like anything from the sea. I like this little halter top. It's kind of fishnetty, and it goes with so many cute little outfits for her. Don't you love these gigantic, whimsical earrings for the on the Blythe? The top really does match her little beach print fabric. Unfortunately, the blue got to the back of the skirt, but that's okay. It still matches sea and sand. I must admit, this is one of my favorite outfits that I made for her. This is like a spandex. I think this was actually in the swimming suit fabrics. It's just a little halter and a little pair of leggings, and I really like it. She likes to sit on her little throne in these. I made her these cute little leggings. They're like little sharks, but I couldn't decide what outfit to make with it, but I do think they're cute. Little bubbles on the sharks. So here she is poolside waiting for her knight in armor to come lift her into the pool. This is not the first Blythe mermaid I have made. I did one a couple years ago, and we will insert the link to that down in the description. I hope you'll take a look. I just love my mermaid. She needed a trunk of her own to carry her clothes and a jewelry box for all her jewelry. And I just love her pets. Where's her new pet? Where did that go? Oh, here it is. She'll be putting this in the goldfish bowl soon. And I had a lot of fun with this, and of course the sand and the Mermaid Tears. Thank you again to Tammy and Terry. Please go see their videos. I'm sure you will enjoy their mermaid also. So these are her outfits that I made for her fins. I have to say that the little mermaid dress and the little fish in the bag are my two favorite things, as well as the Mermaid Tears and the sand from Florida from when Darren and I went down and we met not only Wednesday, but Gilly and Allison's husband. That was quite the trip. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I hope you enjoyed our mermaids today. Be sure and go by and see Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley's mermaid, as well as Tapping Flamingo with Terry Jeanette. Each, I'm sure, have done a fantastic job, and I know there's going to be more shells in theirs. They're both by the beach. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.